Hello students, today I am going to solve a question of exercise 1.1, that is chapter 1 of NCERT book for class 10th. Now the question number 3 of exercise 1.1. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. तो इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है कि हमको एलसीएम और एचसीएफ बताना है और जो नंबर्स दिया है दैट इज 12, 15 एंड 21। तो इन नंबर का हमको एलसीएफ और एचसीएम बताना है। सो बाई वी विल टेक द प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ of 12, 15 and 21. We will take the prime factor. So first number is 12. So prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Then 15. Prime factors of 15s will be 3 5 is 15 means 3 into 5. 21. 21 means 3 into 7. So these are our factors. So LCM of this will become 2 2 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Two into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. That means 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60, 60 into 7, that is 420. So this comes out to be 420. Now LCM is 420. We will take the HCF. HCF is highest common factor. So highest common factor in 12 is 3, 15 is 3 and 21 is 3. Means 3 जो है ये common factor है 12, 15 and 21. So our HCF will become 3. So answer for this question number 3rd part first is, we will write answer LCM equals to 420, HCF equals to 3. Now the question is, second question is, find the LCM of 17, 23 and 29. So prime factors of prime factors of 17, 23, 29. इनको प्राइम फैक्टर्स 17, 23 एंड 29 का निकालना है। उसके बाद फिर हम देखते हैं कि एलसीएम क्या होता है। सो 17 इक्वल्स टू 1 into 17, 1 into 17, then second is 23, because these are the prime numbers, so this will be 1 into 23, and third is 29 equals to 1 into 29. So LCM of 17, 23 and 29 will be equals to 17, 1 into 17 into 17 into 23 into 29 equals to, now we will multiply it. So 17, 23 into 17 means 7 3 ja 21, 7 3 ja 21, carry 2, 7 2 ja 14 plus 2 16, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 2 is 2, so 1 9 3. Now this should be multiplied with 29. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 9 ja 81, 9 3 ja 27, 27 plus 8, 35, 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18, 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7. So this comes out to be 9, 2 plus 1 3, 8 plus 2 plus 1 3, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 5 equals to 3, 1, 7 plus 3 is 10 and carry 1, that is 11. So our LCM will be 11 3 3 9. 11 3 3 9 will be the LCM of 17, 23 and 29. Now HCF of numbers 17, 23 and 29 equals to 1, because this 1 is the common factor in 17, 23 and 29. Therefore, the HCF is 1. So our answer will become, for this is, answer we will write LCM equals to 11 3 3 9, HCF equals to 1. अभी हम थर्ड पार्ट देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड का। 8 9 एंड 25, 8 9 एंड 25 का हमको LCM और HCF निकालना है। So I will write prime factors of, we will take the prime factors of 8 9 and 25. So prime factors of 8 9 and 25. we have to take. So the 8 can be written as, now the factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. The factors of 9 are 3 into 3. The factors of 25 equals to 5 into 5. Now LCM of this will become LCM of 8, 9, 25 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Means we have to multiply this, we will get the LCM. LCM निकालने के लिए सभी फैक्टर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. अब this is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 into 3 into 3 9, means 9 into 8 72, means 72 into 25 equals to 25 into 2 is 50, 25 into 7 is 175 plus 5, 180. So our LCM is 1800. Now SCF of 8, 9, 25 equals to 1, because there is no, only 1 is the common factor in this, so we will write the SCF as 1. तो इस तरीके से ये सभी क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, लाइक इट एंड शेयर इट. थैंक यू.